It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at the buffet at Treasure Island. And as you can see, these prices are pretty reasonable for a buffet on the Las Vegas Strip. But how's the food? Well, let's see what there is to eat.
So everything's self-serve. There's your station now for all the beverages. Desserts will be towards the back. This is your station, your main courses. First one on your right, they make your omelets and eggs to order. Emma will bring you champagne at the moment, also see if you drink it.
So we're here for the Sunday Champagne Brunch, and you can purchase additional alcohol as well, but I recommend filling up on the food. First stop, the Sushi Station. There's a lot of shrimp and eel. Even the California rolls look good. And this looks really good, seared ahi tuna. They actually have a soup station for Asian soups. That actually sounds good for breakfast. Wonton soup, shrimp noodle soup, pho, and miso soup. And the Chinese food, also good for breakfast. Here's shumai. Looks all right. Orange chicken, vegetable spring rolls, beef kibe. That's not Chinese food. And Singapore noodles. And you got your condiments. You got sriracha, hot mustard, sambal. Might put some of that on my eggs when I get over to the breakfast bar. Yes, they do have eggs and bacon and French toast and whatnot on the other side of the buffet. All right, let's go over there. All right, here are the foods that you might traditionally associate with a Sunday brunch. Crepes. These are apple raisin crepes and blueberry crepes. Apple chicken sausage, bacon, hash browns, breakfast steaks, breakfast fish, eggs Benedict, scrambled eggs, breakfast sausage, and pancakes, and all the syrup you can eat. And of course they'll make you an omelet. You just choose your toppings. Choose ham, sausage, onion, bacon, spinach, tomatoes, peppers, mushrooms, or all of it. Or you can have eggs any style. But when it comes to breakfast, I gotta admit, I'm not so much a bacon and eggs guy. I'm more of like a pizza guy. And they have pizza here. My favorite pizza, pepperoni, they have it. They also have one covered in sausage slices. That's always good too. They got square cut pizza. And a veggie pizza with broccoli and ridiculous stuff on it. And there's bread. And over here, there is a big vat of grits. Creamy grits. I do like grits. There's hummus and pitas and vegetable wraps and Italian subs and mango lassi. And here's a big vat of chili with saltine crackers. Now, one of my favorite features of this buffet is actually the made-to-order protein bowls. They'll also make salads. Classic Caesar, Chinese chicken salad, spinach salad. These protein bowls actually look phenomenal. Chicken quinoa, black rice edamame, or salmon farro, or just create your own using what they have right here. Let's take a look at this. Salmon farro with white balsamic vinaigrette, black rice edamame with cranberry agave vinaigrette, chicken quinoa with a lemon vinaigrette. We're at Treasure Island, people. All right, salads are good and all, but let's get to the meats. Sausage, little mac and cheese, bacon, a lot of bacon here. I guess that's what Champagne Brunch is all about. Eggs, stuffing. Here's some roast chicken. Hold on. I see mashed potatoes. I see turkey. I see vegetables. We're almost there. There's porchetta, Italian pork belly roast, mesquite smoked trout, and chicken fried steak. All right, here we are at the carved maple bacon and gravy. Do you really want to put gravy on your bacon? Here's the pork ribs, and there's 2 barbecue sauces, a whiskey barbecue sauce and a North Carolina mustard sauce. You don't see that too often in Las Vegas. All right, we need to get something to drink, and hold on, because this is one of the most spectacular parts of the Treasure Island buffet, and I'm not talking about the alcohol, but you can certainly get plenty. I'm talking about the soft drinks, the coffee drinks. That's right, it's not just coffee, it's coffee drinks, and fruit juices and fruit drinks, and you gotta see it all. Let's go. So here are your coffee mugs. You can put coffee in them, you can put tea in them, they have tea bags. You can put creamer in them. There's a push-button creamer dispenser here. 3 different flavors. There's a cappuccino and hot cocoa machine. Dole fruit juices at the push of a button. Mocha slushies, French vanilla slushies, essentially like frappuccinos. Iced coffees. Ultra water. Ultra purified flavor enhanced water, to be exact. 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 sugars. 0. It's just a bunch of nothing. And of course, Pepsi, Sierra Mist, Mountain Dew, and just mix and match as you please. But that's just half of all the serve it yourself drinks. Let's see what's on the other side. All right, it looks pretty much the same over here. Got your Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, Mountain Dew. But I should note these come with flavor shots. Put in your ice, put in your flavor shot, and fill it up with soft drink of your choice. Mix it up and make it yours. And don't stop there, you can make your own soda. I'm talking vanilla cream soda, black cherry with tarragon, grapefruit flavor with other natural flavors, clementine, classic root beer, lemon, berry, acai, and black cherry with tarragon, low-cal version. And there's iced tea. You got tropical tea, original brew rainforest blend, and green tea. And there's milk and skim milk. More creamer dispensers. And hey, these look like real slushies. They're called ice caps. And they got orange mango, cherry smart bomb, blueberry frost, and strawberry banana. I'll take one of each. And I'm not joking, because I can take one of each. It's a buffet. All right, before I show you the dessert part of the buffet, I gotta get some food, so let's make a plate. All right, I had to start with a protein bowl. They just look so good and healthy, and I mean, I know I'm gonna end up eating a lot of unhealthy things here today, so let's at least get some greens in. I also got a plate with biscuits and gravy, and stuffing and sausage and bacon and mashed potatoes and barbecue. I had to get some of that barbecue so I could try that North Carolina mustard sauce. I got the porchetta and some scrambled eggs. You know, it's breakfast, it's brunch. And I got turkey. And I think I got cranberry sauce, but I think it's actually blueberry sauce. So here's the barbecue. Look at that meat falling apart. So tender, right there by the bone. And of course, what goes better with barbecue? Ribs. Then pancakes and an omelet. That's an egg white omelet with spinach and mushrooms. And it's ready for ketchup. And it's pizza time. It was going to be pizza time sooner or later. And the time is now. We got the sausage pizza. Got the pineapple and ham. And of course the healthy one with the broccoli. Of course, we can't forget the Chinese food. They certainly have an interesting selection here. They've got everybody's favorite orange chicken. Looks nice and crunchy and orange. They got sushi, which I guess isn't Chinese food. I guess this is sort of the Pan-Asian plate of food I've assembled here. You got your some kind of Thai noodles. There's like a little shumai dumpling. And then there's like this football-shaped beef kibbeh. And I got a custom bowl of soup. And when I say custom, I mean I told them just to make it like they make it. It's supposed to be wonton soup. It looks more like bean sprout soup. It does have a wonton in it. Let's take a look at this. It's pretty big. That is one big wonton. This bowl is piping hot and dripping with bean sprouts. Alright, I've just about had my fill of all the savory foods. Let's get to the sweet stuff. And of course, I got a mini donut, a fruit tart, strawberry cheesecake pudding, I'm not sure, and a cookie. Let's go back over. I'll show you. I'll give you a tour of the whole dessert area. We'll see what everything's called and everything they have that's sweet to eat, including cereal and bananas. I love bananas, and these look good. But you know what I'm not eating here? Bananas. And here's some toppings for your ice cream, or for your cereal, or anything really. I mean, did it ever hurt to put sprinkles on anything? There's actually a cotton candy machine right here. And here's the cotton candy. Just right there, cotton candy. You could just have it. Here's the ice cream. Actual ice cream that is scooped for you. Rainbow sherbet, chocolate, vanilla bean, strawberry, Kona coffee, and fat-free, sugar-free vanilla chocolate swirl. What's the point? Here's some fruit tarts and cupcakes and pie and cheesecake and chocolate cups. Oh, and creme brulee. And eclairs and chocolate-covered strawberries and chocolate-dipped macaroons and red velvet white chocolate chip cookies, and all the mini donuts, and more cookies. Lots of cookies here, big ones. And of course, the vat of bread pudding. Did you hear that sound? That's the Doughnut Machine in operation. There are mini donuts that are constantly being produced by machine. Hot from the oil right onto this rotating platter. Look at that, bubbling donuts. It's all automated. We're living in the age of automation, where donuts are made by machines. The machines that will rule us all.
Yeah, it's going in.
Okay, he was just making sure that the donuts were still being produced by the all-knowing machinery. Alright, so there's lots of cute little donuts here. Let's take a look back and review what there is here on the dessert buffet. Lots of tarts and cookies and eclairs, and please ask, it says, about our sugar-free desserts. Thank goodness they don't put those out. I hate it when I get those by accident. These creme brulees look incredible. There's the vanilla wafers stuck into some kind of... Is that like supposed to be like a banana cream pie? There's no labels on anything here, the dessert area. Most of it's pretty self-explanatory just by looking at it. Like if I had to guess, I would call these fruit tarts. What's interesting is that the ice cream is served like pre-scooped. It's actual scoops. And the guy has been scooping new ones. There's one right there. And I guess this is like one of those Cold Stone Creamery frozen boards, but it just seems odd. Alright, this is my second plate of desserts. I got a chocolate brownie, some donuts, a cupcake, and yeah, that's a banana. I love bananas. One of the things I like about the Treasure Island buffet, it reminds me of the old Vegas buffets where you could play Keno while you ate. There's even a Keno counter right in the back of the buffet here, where you can take your ticket, or the Keno runner will take it for you. You can redeem it for all your winnings. Keno's not the easiest game to win at, but it sure is fun, and it only costs $1 to play. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about the Treasure Island buffet. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat. Oh, and drink when it's all you can Vegas.